What makes the IALD training special is how comprehensive it is and how much support the students have. So I've taken a number of clinical courses over the years. Maybe they're a 2 or 3 day course, but there's no follow-up. There's no ability to have the instructors watch your technique 6 months or a year later to see if you're doing it well or see if you're doing it as well as you can. And I think the support that students have is just incredible. Not uncommonly, I'll get a call from a student 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, sometimes 4 or 5 years later after I've trained somebody, and they say, "Hey, I don't know if you remember me, you taught me at boot camp, and I have this question, or have you run across this before?" And I don't know of anywhere else, any other company or laser or any technique that has that sort of support for students. So when students come to us and they take the training, it's not like we train them and they're gone, see you later. They really have lifetime support, and I think that's what enables them to be so successful. I became an IALD instructor for 2 reasons. First, I wanted to become an expert in LANAP, and there's really no better way to become an expert than to learn to teach something. Second, the material is so fantastic in terms of our ability to treat periodontal disease in a minimally invasive way, to see immediate results, to see the patient results, and I wanted to share that excitement with dentists who haven't been trained in LANAP. My favorite part of training is seeing the transformation that takes place in the students from the first evolution to the last evolution. Watching their technique improve, watching their excitement when people come back for evolution 4, evolution 5. A lot of the initial skepticism maybe about LANAP is gone. They've seen the results of the procedure. We can fine-tune their technique, and we really bring them to the highest level possible in terms of their technique. I also enjoy the fellowship. I think everyone that gets trained in LANAP, we're all very cordial. We have nice collegiality. Many times the students who we teach years later call me up, have a question, or they're excited about a case, and I was their boot camp instructor or their E4 or 5 instructor. And they call up to ask a question, they're excited about their results, and it's really nice to make those professional relationships.